Inward Side Tooth CLICKROLL, inspired by Abo Ice. For this sound, we need to start from the inward CLICKROLL, also called rumble. After that, perform the inward CLICKROLL on your favorite side. Then, tighten up your tongue to reduce the airflow. It shall produce a compressed CLICKROLL. And finally, close your teeth to get the right texture. Job done. Time to freestyle with your new sound.
Yep.